All right, I'm assuming you're here for your MorningStar messages. Let's go ahead and get things out the way. So, my packages came in, got the new tripod and the new camera, all that good stuff. I just haven't received my SD card yet, ironically. So, that is the last thing that I'm waiting on. So, yeah, I'll be shooting some new videos for you guys in full HD. No more borders at the end of the tarot readings. But yeah, today we have your morning messages. I want to start putting out the MorningStar messages first thing in the morning when I get up, so that there is some content out there for you guys. And as I go through the day, hopefully I'll be producing more content, uploading more videos, more tarot readings. So it's coming along. Still trying to figure out how I want to reconfigure my room. But let's go ahead and get your MorningStar messages out of the way. See what daily messages your ancestors, spirit guides, spirit team. This is going to be a general reading. Make sure you check out my socials, Instagram, TikTok, OU Lucy. Some more messages there as well. All right, so grounding this general MorningStar reading today is going to be the Four of Pentacles. Okay, again, saving or investing in yourself. Earth energy. Pentacles. Could be studying as well. It's almost like this person is standing on their money as in not spending it. Alright, what other messages can I pull in for you today? This good old morning. Alright. Don't do reversals. But I can somewhat read the negative energies. We got the King of Pentacles. Someone financially well off, or someone attempting to gain stability, someone very grounded, even materialistic, a monarch or patriarch, the head of a household, business owner. Then we have the Empress, major arcana, could be dealing with, I'm not sure what major arcana the Empress is. You also have the Devil here as well. It's Capricorn. King of Pentacles as well. That's heavy earth energy. So yeah, definitely dealing with a Capricorn, a Virgo, Taurus maybe. You're building something, or looking back on what you've built with this person and seeing if, trying to figure out if it is harvestable. And then of course you have the Eight of Swords. Is this the Eight of Swords? This is the Eight of Swords. Bound. Recurring energy, something that you're wanting to leave but you can't. So it could be a marriage. King of Pentacles is about marriage as well, building solid foundations, tied together physically. Your tangible, like life materials, like your home and your cars, all that things, all of that stuff is tied up within a marriage. Could be toxic energy here as well, but again, could be just be dealing with an earth energy. With this being Capricorn, major arcana, the Devil. Devil rules the earth plane. Anything on the earth plane, anything regarding riches or materialistic things or toxic habits, sex, alcohol, drugs. With the Seven of Pentacles. 7, 8. What other energies are here? We have the 3 of Pentacles, the King of Swords, 5 of Wands, 6 of Wands, Tower card, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have the 5 of Wands, the 6 of Wands. So Wands being about passion, Wands being about your spirit or your relationship or things that drive you sexually or creatively. Wanting to move away from this situation and have a moment of victory. You're tired of fighting or sudden changes of behavior. Yeah. It's almost like the 5 of Wands is clarifying the Devil card, which is toxicity. So a lot of fighting is causing a Tower moment. And you're wanting to move away from this energy. But it's like you're bound. Bound in this card and bound in the Devil as well. You see this masculine and this feminine bound by this chain. It's going to take great discernment. You're going to have to go deep within yourself and use your intuition, use your talent, use your skill, use your ability. The Empress is being clarified by the King of Swords. So there is truth to be found within this situation, or you already have the knowledge within to move forward in this situation. We have the 3 of Pentacles, we have the 7 of Pentacles, and we have the King of Pentacles. Again, you have talent to bring to the earthly plane. You have skill that can help you develop yourself financially and build structure for you. If you're planning to 5 of Wands with the fighting, go into your 6 of Wands and come out of this negative situation. There's going to be a Tower moment. You can't avoid this Tower moment. Could be dealing with a few people. We have the King of Pentacles. We have the King of Swords. The Empress and the Devil. Could be multiple people involved in this situation. See what advice I can grab for you today on this good collective reading. Your morning reads that I should start doing more regularly and more often. All right. Star. Could be dealing with an Aquarius or an air sign. The Lovers. This is a twin flame partnership or soulmate relationship. Okay, and then we have Judgment. We have 3 major arcana cards that just came out. So this is a very important relationship in your life. So this is a star, someone that's either a celebrity or someone well on their way to celebrity, someone well known, someone well sought after, someone very enlightened, someone spiritually guided. They use the stars as their template. Aquarius is the water bearer. So someone that you may come across, or someone that is a swimmer, or someone that likes going to the beach or being near water. The Lovers, the Yes card, confirming the personality that may be on your mind, or the personality that you may be in a relationship with, or may be coming across. Is a significant partnership or relationship or friendship, or something valuable that you have learned recently. going to be able to help you make a judgment call, or it's time for you to make a judgment call now that you have found this information that you were seeking out. Maybe this Aquarius or this star is going to be able to help you fulfill whatever this relationship may be. Maybe you're connecting with the star, or maybe the star is showing you something. But there's a judgment call being made. Use your discernment. King of Swords. And that is going to be it for your morning reading. Hopefully you pull some gems, some jewels from this quick 10-minute read. Enjoy the rest of your day. Check out my social media handles. OU Lucy, TikTok and Instagram. Make sure you like the video or comment. Subscribe. Catch you on the next one.